Yeah, good. We slept a little bit too much. I think it's because of this weather. Because it was raining in the morning, right?
Very good to sleep.
12 hours almost. Feel weird a little bit. But yeah, basically Maggie, she had a bike accident yesterday. Yeah, and basically her leg is just like scratched, and then now I'm just getting to the pharmacy shop to buy some bandage, you know, some plasters or something, you know, because I think she's still a little bit like bleeding on the side of the leg.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, morning. Is this plasters? Bandage? Can I have some? Just like, how do you sell it? The whole package or? Whole package?
This one 1,000.
Okay. Is this the only one you have, or do you have some others? Is this the only one you have, or you have some others as well?
No.
Okay.
It's a check and pharmacy.
Okay. And how big are they? I mean, I can see. That's okay. Yeah, I'll take it. It's okay.
This is 100 all. 100 peaches.
Oh, okay. I don't need that much, I guess. How do you sell it? By the strip? Oh, damn. Sorry. How do you sell it? Like how much? I don't understand. The whole bag or? Because I don't need that much. I mean, I don't need 100.
How many?
Don't know, like 15 maybe, let's say, or 20. Not much.
1,000 for one.
Okay, then that's 10. So it's 10,000.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool. Man.
This is 10,000. 10.
Yeah, just 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Big Shaq, the one and only. That's the hawk. Never hawk.
Nice.
Boom. 2 plus 2 is 4. Minus 1, that's 3 big maths. Everyday man from the block.
Thank you. Got it. Jesus, your leg looks terrible. Damn. Yeah, this is a little bit small. Yeah. Hi folks, good morning. I think it's afternoon now. It's 3:17. We woke up around 1:30 because it was raining the whole morning, and yeah, it was weird. Like it never happened in London before. So now it's 3 o'clock. So we're now at the beach, the BINGIN Beach. Probably we're gonna have a lunch later. And then, I don't know, we'll see. Maggie basically is paralyzed. She can't really walk properly. she's yeah, injured, so I don't know what the adventure is gonna be for today, but yeah, it's a pretty cool place, guys. I'm gonna show you a little bit more. I'll try to maybe get a drone out. I'll show you, it's nice cliffs around, and yeah, we'll see. Can you listen? Now listen to this one. What's wrong with you? The mosquito killed you? Ah, it's breathable here. Thank you. I'll take this. Oh, it's amazing. Thank you very much. You wanna go home maybe? I mean, back to London? You look like you're gonna die. That looks crazy again. Like, pretty good. The chicken looks pretty good.
Ah, fucking hell. Look.
Oh, they have from different places. They have one kitchen there and one here.
Thank you.
Wow, that's good. Is it veggie burger? Wow.
Thank you.
Nice. So it's a tofu, I guess, right? Looks cool. I'll take the mayonnaise away, yeah?
Why?
It looks shit, I mean.
Oh, come on. Looks nice. But just without this napkin.
No, then it's gonna be dirty. I don't want to mess it up. Okay, let's eat. Sure you don't want to drink? You have water, right? Okay. Actually, there wasn't a big choice for drinks anyway. There was
I didn't drink even the whole thing.
spicy.
Yesterday.
Okay, let's eat.
Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. Now I'm feeling in my body sometimes. You know I don't understand just how.
So Maggie is staying home. I'm gonna... What is this guy doing? Jesus, I'm gonna just ride to the city, the place where we went yesterday. And maybe to get, buy some, I need a petrol. And to maybe get something else, I need the flip-flops. Okay, see you later on the road. Holy shit, first time ever in my life driving a scooter in a storm, rainstorm. Oh my god. I have some dirt on the face as well. Seriously. Oh, so wet.